Echo just gifted me their microfiber cleaning mitt, and I've already put it to the test as I have a kitchen full of stainless steel appliances and trash cans from Echo. And getting off all those marks, as you know, if you have a stainless steel appliance, is not always as easy as you think it should be. What's so cool about this is it really is just this really nice microfiber cloth that has a kind of foam-like portion to it, so it's a bit squishy, and it really works exactly as you want without having to use any cleaning products. And I have found that using cleaning products on stainless steel often backfires. Often the cleaning products themselves cause even more streaks. Now, how you use this is you just want to get it a little damp, wipe down the surface, and then flip it over to the dry side and give it another wipe. Let me show you how this works. Now here is my Echo can. One thing that's really nice about Echo in general is unless you get it wet, it doesn't really smudge at all. This has been my family's trash can for the past 3 years, and it's held up beautifully. But let's say I want to clean it with this and just wipe it down with the wet side. And it feels really nice, really easy. It's definitely pulling up all the dust as well, which is lovely. And then I can just wipe it down with the dry side. And that definitely cleaned that up instantly, got rid of any streaks. There's some damage to this can, so some of it's not gonna come off, but it looks really good. What really stands out to me though is how dirty my fridge is. Let's see how well this cleans the fridge. So I'm just gonna use the wet side first. And honestly, I don't even really need to dry it, as it basically just took everything off immediately. But let's give it a quick dry too. Now the last few wet spots are drying, but that is looking so much cleaner, so much faster. This is really, really nice. I also love that it does have a little hook so I can hang it so it'll air dry. And when I need to, I can just throw this in the wash. And so it's perfectly clean for next time. This is a really simple yet very effective tool for getting streak-free shine on your stainless steel appliances and trash cans. Very cool.